Hello children, today we will see how to solve quadratic equation word problems involving age. Okay, real life problems they are, so very interesting also. The sum of ages of a mother and daughter is 40 years. First hint to frame the equation. Sum of their ages is 40 years. 5 years ago, this is another important hint here. 5 years ago, mother's age was square of her daughter's age. This statement would give you the equation. Mother's age, only mother's age, is equal to square of her daughter's age when 5 years ago. Find their present ages. As I speak always, this statement is important because your last concluding 1 mark is reserved for this, that what is being asked in the question and whether you have written the answer or not. Now, by taking x years as the daughter's present age, frame an equation in x and solve for it. Now, by solving this many questions so far, you have understood that in this case also either mother's age or daughter's age we could have taken as x, but since in the question itself it is mentioned that take daughter's age as x, now it is mandatory for us to consider daughter's age as x only. Okay, so mother's age will be 40 minus x, like that way. You cannot take now mother's age as x here. These all points I hope are clear to you. Each and every point I have mentioned just now was important. Okay, so first statement will be what? Let the daughter's present age, present word is important here. Let daughter's present age be x years. Now, sum of their ages is 40. So, what will be mother's age? Therefore, mother's present age will be 40 minus x years. Don't make the mistake. Don't write x minus 40. That will be a negative number. Okay. Now, another thing importantly you need to find that what is the case when we are talking 5 years ago. Suppose presently your age is 15 years. What was your age 5 years ago? 10 years. How did you get 15 minus 5? Same way, if the daughter is presently x years old, what was her age 5 years ago? Clear? X minus 5 years. And similar way, what will be mother's age? Mother presently is 40 minus x minus 5. You can simplify this. 40 minus 5, 35 minus x years. Okay, these are the places you have to be very clear with the instructions. Now let's go for the equation. What is the equation? Is connecting the two statements. 5 years ago, mother's age was square of her daughter's age. So this is a hint again for you to understand only. Some may understand, some find it difficult. For those it is mother's age is equal to square of daughter's age. As simple. What is mother's age we have obtained? 35 minus x is equal to daughter's age 5 years ago is what? X minus 5 the square. Finish. This will give you the equation. So 35 minus x is equal to a minus b the whole square will give you x square minus 5 2s are 10x plus 25. Okay. Now we want the right hand side as 0. So shuffle, bring this to this side, or you can exchange the terms also. Exchange both the sides by so that x remains positive. So I get x square minus 10x plus 25 equals to 35 minus x. Both sides are changed. Why I have done? Because many a time children go for the very difficult and complicated part very easily, with so much conscious they do that, and here while shifting they make plus minus sign changes and the entire sum goes wrong. So practice well for this. I have shifted both the exchange both the sides. Then I will bring RHS all terms to the LHS. X square minus 10x plus 25 minus 35 plus x equal to 0. So you have x square minus 10x plus x will give you what? Minus 9x plus 25 minus 35 gives you minus 10 equal to 0. So next step obtained here. We have got the quadratic equation which we simply need to simplify for, right? Here product minus 10. So we are finding what? Difference. Difference is minus 9. Simple this is. Numbers are 10 and 1. Which 10? Minus 10. Directly factors? Yes. X minus 10 into x plus 1 equal to 0, which gives you x minus 10 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. This gives you x is 10 or x is minus 1. Okay, again x cannot be minus 1. Okay, x h, no? This is the reason x cannot be minus 1. Therefore x is equal to 10. So we have simplified it. Now we need to write the answer statement. The present age. Okay, present ages we are finding. No, what is us? Find their present ages. So the present age of, first you go for daughter, or daughter's present age also you can write. Is it what it was? X. What is x? 10 years, right? And mother's present age. Okay, mother is what? 40 minus x, that is 40 minus 10, that is 30 years. So present ages of daughter and mother are found here. Easy? I hope everybody has understood it.